before they trusted me with astronauts. They wouldn't even let me drink coffee with them.
I was born in 1918 in a small town in West Virginia, long before anyone imagined men walking in space. Back then, I was just a girl who loved numbers.
I learned early that being the smartest person in the room didn't mean being treated equally.
No matter how many doors stayed closed, I kept walking forward, even when they looked at me like I didn't belong there.
There was no bathroom for black women. So every day I walked across buildings just to use one.
They didn't want me drinking coffee with them. Different coffee pot, different table, same work. When the computers gave their answer, John Glenn still wanted one more opinion. Mine. He trusted my numbers with his life. They came back. Every calculation, every number brought them home safely. And for the first time, the world finally saw what I was worth.
My name is Katherine Johnson, and I helped send humanity into space. Not because they believed in me, but because I never stopped believing in myself.